different categorical data points. The length of bar represent magnitude and the flags represent a category. It is a composite chart with bars and circles. So we first connect the chart with NFL offensive plays data using Microsoft Excel option and import the the data set. So we use 1999 2013 data sheet in Tableau to make a lollipop chart. So now we go to sheet number 1 here and we start our visualization. First of all, we begin with dragging college wins into columns. Now we drag hometown dimension into rows. Now we drag college wins measure to the upper side of this graph, that is where the dragged lines are shown. Drop it here, right? So now we right click on this y-axis and we synchronize this axis. And that's the main part of lollipop chart. Now we go in the marks card and we change here from automatic to bar. So we don't require this y-axis, header of this y-axis. So we unpick it and hide it. Now to make it more interactive, we decrease the size of this lollipop chart by a few lines. Yeah, so the title of this visualization is Lollipop Chart in Tableau. Now we go to Format, Lines, and in the columns section here we choose None grid lines. So we don't want any grid lines in the column part. So now Lollipop Chart in Tableau is ready. Alright, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos ahead.